Hi, today I'll show how to do manual audit for your website. Then let's begin. Why is your website audit important? It helps find issues that prevent ranking. Which types of problem? First is on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO, and then user experience, we are shortly called UX, and then content audit, and last is security. Security means HTTPS or SSL certificate. It improves SEO performance. Then you can get more results like traffic and leads. And last is your site is make easier, faster, and user friendly. Now we are depth with the local and basic SEO audit. First of all, you can ask me why I'm called basic SEO audit. The main reason I'm using free extension. This extension name is Detailed SEO extension. This extension gives the on-page SEO checker, and other website I'm using like DPH checker. This website give the off-page SEO score, and that's why I'm called basic audit. But following classes I will show how to do using paid tool like SEMrush. But basically I'm using SEMrush and audit your website deeply. Then let's get started. I'm go to the new tab and type detailed SEO extensions. Go click here. When you search this extension, go to the first website, and when you go to this website, here is show the add to Chrome. Click add to Chrome. After this, show the this extension bar. Now I am again go to my website, and here show my extension. Click detailed extensions, and here show my title, meta description, URL, canonical tag, robot text, robot extrovert text. Here is not show keyword, publisher, how many keyword I am using in my container. Show 1893. Then here is show my heading 1. Heading 1 means my title, heading 2 my sub titles, and heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 you can save and click I am heading bar. Show my heading. First heading is this, and this is my title, and here show my heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, 4, 5. Click link. Link means how many of links my website. I show the 340. Anchor means other website like anywhere not find this deeply find it. That's why I show Anchor 231. In canal link, my website page to page link, I show my 325. That's why our website internal link is 325. External link means backlinks, like my website get the link in other website. That's called backlinks. It's based on off-page SEO strategy. And now I'm going to find my on-page SEO checker. Now I'm going to the DAPA checker. Go search DAPA checker. So first go to the first website and enter your website. Click I'm not robot. Check DAPA. After show the result like my domain authority 39, page authority 46, backlinks means total backlinks 3k and quality backlinks 2k. That means your website have a 3k backlinks, but quality backlinks is 2k, and others one backlinks are not good like broken links or others redirected types of links. And quality backlinks 72% is good. Most trust 5 and off-page is 61. That means good or not bad, but we are called good. And hope you can understand how to basic audit for your website. That's why I'm called manual audit. Thank you so much using this video.